Eat this to target belly flab, shut off your fat genes, and even prevent fat from latching onto your bat wings. It may sound like the tagline of the newest weight loss supplement, but these claims are actually the real results you'll get after eating real food. That's right. Many of the nutrients already found in food are some of the most powerful weight loss tools. To prove it to you, we've assembled the current weight loss nutrient hall of fame. Here are some of the most effective and the most significant food sources of each, along with how they can help you slim down. 1. Arginine. Why it's great. This amino acid is one of the newest secret weapons for weight loss. Researchers found that administering arginine to obese women over 12 weeks resulted in a 3-inch average reduction in waist size and a 6.5-pound average weight loss, according to a recent study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements. While that's a welcome effect anytime, there's a benefit to timing your dose. L-arginine consumed before a workout can help you burn more fat and carbs, a separate study found. How to get it? Grab a handful of almonds, which are a great pre-workout snack. Other great sources: tofu, eggs, grass-fed beef, peanuts, and walnuts. 2. Magnesium. Why it's great. This essential mineral aids in hundreds of body processes, including muscle contraction, which improves protein synthesis. That, in turn, boosts fat burning. Higher magnesium intake was associated with lower levels of fasting glucose and insulin, factors that are related to fat storage and weight gain, in a Journal of Nutrition study. Also, consuming magnesium helps boost lipolysis, a process in which your body releases fat from where it's stored. How to get it? Almonds, chard, cashews, and spinach are rich in the nutrient. 3. Potassium. Why it's great. Potassium helps flatten your belly in 2 ways. It aids in muscle recovery after a workout, and it helps the body flush out water and sodium, reducing bloat. It's also crucial in maintaining a healthy heart and kidney function, so seek it out. Only 4.7% of Americans consume adequate potassium, University of Illinois researchers found. How to get it? Bananas get all the credit for this flat belly nutrient, but molasses is actually the best food source according to the USDA. Add molasses, bananas, avocados, nuts, and leafy green vegetables to your grocery list to reap the muscle-relaxing benefits. 4. Choline. Why it's great. This fat-blasting B vitamin turns off the genes that cause your body to store fat around your liver. Studies have shown that dieters who eat eggs for breakfast, as opposed to high-carb meals such as bagels, lose weight faster because they're less hungry. How to get it? Eggs are the #1 food source, but you have to eat the yolk. Choline is also found in lean meats, shrimp, and collard greens. 5. Resistant starch. Why it's great. Also known as slow carbs, resistant starch passes through the small intestine without being digested, feeding healthy gut bacteria that help you feel fuller longer and burn fat. In fact, replacing just 5% of the carbohydrates you consume each day with a source of resistant starch can boost fat burning after meals by up to 30%, one study found. How to get it? Throw some raw oats into your weight loss smoothie, or eat some chilled potatoes, cold pasta salad, slightly green bananas, lentils, and peas. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Why they're great. These fatty acids are famously excellent for your heart. They reduce the risk of arrhythmia, lower triglyceride levels, and decrease blood pressure. And they're no slouch when it comes to weight loss either. Omega-3s reduce stomach fat storage by tackling inflammation head-on. A fairly significant bonus: people with the highest blood levels of omega-3s lived an average of 2 years longer than those with lower levels, a study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine showed. How to get them? Wild salmon, make sure it's wild, not farmed, and other oily fish, omega-3 eggs, grass-fed beef, walnuts, chia seeds, and flaxseed oil. 7. Leucine. Why it's great. This amino acid is key to muscle building because it increases the body's ability to synthesize protein, aka build muscle mass. Researchers fed one group of people meals containing 10 grams of leucine per day, and another group a lower leucine diet in studies conducted at the University of Illinois. In 2 studies, the groups that ate high leucine diets lost the most weight and body fat and maintained the leanest body mass. That's key for keeping your metabolism humming as you drop pounds. How to get it? Chicken is an excellent source. According to the USDA, a 6-ounce chicken breast contains about 4.4 grams of leucine per serving and 52 grams of protein. Other good sources include eggs, tofu, fish, beef and pork. 8. Vitamin D. Why it's great. Aside from its well-publicized benefits, such as lowering the risk of cancer, the sunshine vitamin also helps boost immunity and regulates appetite. And its importance in your weight loss diet shouldn't be underestimated. A 2012 study found that supplementation with vitamin D was associated with a 7% decrease in fat. Another study from the University of Minnesota found a relationship between higher levels of D and fat loss, particularly in the belly area. How to get it? Fish, both fatty and canned, eggs, shiitake mushrooms, and fortified dairy products will all help you get that flat stomach you're after. 9. Monounsaturated fats. Why they're great. These healthy fats strengthen your heart, increase satiety, and prevent the storage of belly flubber. A study in Nutrition Journal found that participants who ate half a fresh avocado with lunch, rich in oleic acid, one of the best sources of monounsaturated fats, reported a 40% decreased desire to eat for hours afterward. How to get them? Those aforementioned avocados, grass-fed beef, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and dark chocolate will be your best bets. 10. Calcium. Why it's great. You know it's good for your bones, but did you know calcium can also help your body burn more and store less fat? That's because this mineral helps convert fatty acids into energy. Not only that, but sufficient calcium levels ensures our insulin is working properly. Because insulin is one of the main hormones that regulate our blood sugar levels, having well-functioning insulin levels can help maintain more stable energy levels throughout the day, meaning you won't be digging your hand into an extra bag of chips after lunch.